What's going on? So today we got a video from Police Watch, and the title of the video is Insane Son Punches His Mom and Leaves Her Bleeding. Wow, that's crazy. Let's get into the video.
What happened?
My son comes up down the alley, he comes up and he's looking at me all crazy, and then he just hold up and punched me in my face and in my ear, and then he had a beer in his hand.
Police were called to a scene of violence. A mother had been attacked by her son Jermaine, who was under the influence of drugs or alcohol. He hit her, threw beer on her, and then stole a Jeep and ran away.
I didn't even see myself.
We got an ambulance coming, okay? Okay, what happened?
I was going around the alley to come home, and I see my Jeep was parked back there. So I was looking, and my son comes up down the alley, he comes up, and he's looking at me all crazy, and then he just hold up and punched me in my face and in my ear, and then he had a beer in his hand and dumped beer all over me and in my car. And I think he's on drugs.
Probably so. That's not real normal.
No. And he took off running over that way. He has a black coat on, and he has like a ski mask thing on his face. And my husband, that's him hollering. He wants to fight him, but I told him not to, because I don't know if the boy has a knife on him or something. I don't know.
And this is your son?
Yes.
What's his name?
Jermaine Abington.
Jermaine Abington?
Yes. I think he knocked my teeth out.
Here, Monica, here's your tissue.
And held my door open right here and just started hitting me.
Was he driving your Jeep?
Yeah, he was. He had it parked back here.
He had it parked back there? Yeah, she said he poured beer all over her car.
If I don't like to get there, well, I don't want him coming back.
Then you're the one that suffers. He's got my car key. He got my car back here, and he's got the key to it. He's under the influence of something. He don't look like himself. I guarantee he's on some drugs.
Give me the spelling of his name if you can.
Jermaine.
No.
Jermaine.
Jermaine.
Yeah.
Abington, A-B-B-I-N-G.
Look at her face, officer.
I've seen that.
Okay. You want to come sit in the truck here and we'll check it out?
Yeah, let's go over here to the truck.
And I didn't expect it. That's why I'm sorry.
Yeah, absolutely. Okay. You want us to take you out to the hospital, get you checked out? With your teeth getting busted like that, probably should get you checked out.
This is absolutely disgusting, bro. How can you do that to your mom? That's insane. Like, this video, the title is Insane Son. This is insane, bruh. Come on. This is ridiculous. I don't care what your mom did. You know what I'm saying? Like, you may not be seeing eye to eye with your mom. Like, y'all gonna argue, whatever. You know what I'm saying? That's regular family stuff. But to actually go off and wail on your mom like that, like, that's crazy. Now, you see it happen with females, you know what I'm saying? Like, you see it happen with daughters and moms, you know, they get into their little fights and stuff like that. But as a son is insane. Men are way stronger. Like, he did some serious damage. How can you do that to your mom? That's just unbelievable to me.
I mean, he's not get you on antibiotics. Yeah, that or I mean, it's up to you.
Can I wait till they find him and I can get my keys and go?
Well,
we don't know when we're going to be able to find him. I mean, I can't give you a guarantee. They're looking right now, but we don't know. You know what I mean? We couldn't be anywhere right now.
Or you can go. Do you live here with somebody?
Yeah, that's my husband.
Is that your husband? I mean, or you can go out with your husband. It's up to you. We just need you to get checked out because with your teeth, you know, like he said, you need to get on an antibiotic there just to just in case, until you can at least get in and see your dentist and things.
I'll have to be sick.
Are you sure?
You didn't get knocked out. The rear of this revenue here.
So no loss of consciousness.
No, hell no. Hell no. He looked like he was out of his mind. He's wearing a freaking ski mask for some reason. He took my car without permission. It's a 2016 G Compass back here, and I need y'all to watch that vehicle because he'll be back for it. He took my car. He took my car unauthorized.
Okay. And he came back home, and then you guys seen him back there by the Jeep.
Yeah, like, what are you doing? And we opened the door, and he busted her in the face and poured beer all over her.
Did he say anything?
He said he looked high out of his mind. I'll tell you the truth. He's on something.
Anywhere that he would go that you know of in this area?
Well, not in this area, but I know his grandma lives out in London.
Does he live here with you guys?
Yeah. But he took my...
Yeah, but is that the... Did he watch him hit his mom? Cause I would've... What? Boy, that's the dad? Boy, he would've got the beating of his life, boy. Y'all would've had to lock me up, boy. Yeah. He would've got it coming to him. I ain't gonna lie. He would've got it. What? If that's the dad, now if that's the stepdad or something, you gotta just alleviate the situation. But I don't know. I forgot what they said in the beginning or whatever. But if that's the dad, boy, that kid would've. Oh, okay. You did that to your mom? Okay. I got something for you. Don't you worry. Dude, don't you worry. You ain't got to worry about nothing. Don't worry about going to no work tomorrow. Don't worry about nothing. You gonna get this work, boy.
Car unauthorized. See,
I understand.
We didn't have no disagreement or no conflict of interest. We know that there's a house being reported broken in on this block. So we was just door dashing, coming up the block, say, hey, what's that car? Looks suspicious. Is that our car? And we pulled up, and it was our car. It's like, hey, he comes out of the shower. It's like, what? So what are you worried about me for? And then
is your car still back there?
Yeah. I want to make sure he doesn't take it.
Was there anything in the car that's not yours?
I have no idea. He took the car unauthorized. The car was parked there.
Let's see your hands. Let me see your hands. Both of them. Or you're getting tased. Roll out here. Roll out here. Or you're getting tased.
Keep it on him.
Roll your stomach. Stomach.
Alright. Put your hands behind your back. Interlace your fingers like you're praying. There's right. I lost him.
When the last time we seen a smooth put your hands behind your back and they actually did it? When's the last time? Yeah, I know he on drugs. Cause everybody resisting. So that ain't.
I need a police report for my car that he just tore up.
We'll do that for you. Give us a second, okay?
They're not gonna let him out, are they? That one and in my house.
All of them.
Well, that one's not mine. But
But it's parked in our
that's,
yard.
I mean, that's to his car.
His car?
That Charger.
Mama, I'm sorry to let you know, but probably gonna plead insanity or whatever, act like a nut job. Well, he is a nut job for doing that, but he ain't gonna get no time and he might stay in there till whenever he make bail, and whenever he gotta face the judge for his crimes and stuff, I'll say, oh, he crazy, time served. There you go.
Quick, I'll have you.
Feel like it.
What happened to your finger, brother? This one. It's got a cut on it. Pretty long, man.
Oh, it's not. So yeah, he was in here.
Okay.
Cause we keep it officer?
It's a couple longer guns.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, that one cover is a long cover.
Which?
In there, stick the law to his ass.
Is he known to use?
Yep.
Busted the window out?
That's what he says. He was driving this thing. I guess.
Wow.
Put some gloves on.
What is going on here? Case of Bud Light Platinum back here.
What's up?
He had I bet he used this to bust the windows, didn't he?
Probably.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, that's what I was
So.
This is his room, officer.
Okay.
I come up with. I don't come up here much. I don't know what's up here.
Okay.
This is his room.
There's nothing on the place.
But I can guarantee you, he probably has something to do with that robbery.
Well, we need to find this stuff. What?
What's that?
A laptop? What are you talking about?
I don't remember having no damn laptop.
Don't touch it, just in case. But I don't think that was missing. That's a Chromebook, like from school.
Okay, cool.
Looks awful.
Maybe it is.
There's a handgun down here.
What? Get it. Ain't no guns allowed in my house. Grab it.
You guys own firearms? You guys own firearms? You have any guns? Where'd they be at?
Upstairs.
Upstairs?
We're out up here.
The attic, on the bed, and beside the bed.
You got pictures right there?
Yeah, I got
What is going on?
We got blood on the glass up here. Got what? Blood on the glass up here.
There's blood on the shard too.
Very good. I'll let Casey know if he wants the alcohol to swing out. Thanks, Bragg. I haven't charged my flashlight.
You got anything in your pockets?
Oh, they had to get busy with him in there? Oh, yeah.
It's over in the corner.
Jermaine was charged with assault, theft, and driving under the influence.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.